Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Knorr International Italian mushroom soup. Begin by gathering all ingredients. Knorr soup mix, 3 cups water, 8 ounces mushrooms, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper. Heat a medium pot, sauté sliced mushrooms until golden, then add the soup mix and water. Stir gently, simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, and finish with a splash of cream or a sprinkle of parsley for richness. Warm and easy to follow, this step shows precise timing for great results. After mushrooms are browned, reduce heat slightly and add the Knorr mix slowly while whisking to maintain a smooth texture. Keep the soup at a gentle simmer for 8 to 10 minutes so flavors meld without boiling off aroma. Taste and adjust salt, then stir in a splash of cream for silkiness, or finish with fresh herbs to brighten the bowl. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth for a fresh perspective on money and smart choices, which pairs oddly well with budget cooking tips and meal planning. It's a light read with practical ideas you can use. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Serve this soup warm with simple accompaniments for maximum comfort. Ladle into bowls and add a scattering of chopped parsley or chives for freshness and visual appeal. Pair with crusty bread or toasted croutons to soak up the broth, and offer grated Parmesan for a salty, nutty finish. Cool leftovers quickly, refrigerate in an airtight container, and reheat gently on the stove to preserve texture and flavor for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.